I think an ability maybe that is very unique to Europeans is what Lefebvre called implosion, explosion, but you could say also it's breathing in, breathing out. It's a very natural way of looking, I think, that we have, that we are able to both look inward very strongly, to reflect, but also look outward, connect and explore. That, I think, is something also that is a very strong quality that we should enjoy, because we do that also out of a pure joy of the exploration and the discovery of newness, not only wanting to maximize and capitalize and monetize, which maybe are also some of the big threats of our time.